Hello kids, welcome back to another session. We are going to do minus 8's mixed complements. Okay. What are minus 8's mixed complements? The same formula that we had in big friends, that is minus 10 plus 2. Wherever I won't be able to do minus 8, I will do minus 10 plus 2. Clear? Okay, ma'am. For example, ma'am has 13 with her. I have to do minus 8 now. I can't do, right? No beats. So formula of minus 8, minus 10 plus 2. I will apply it because I'm not able to do minus 8. Minus 10 plus 2. How did I do 2? I don't have 2. I applied the formula of 2 also, which is plus 5 minus 3. Okay. Now you will say 2 has plus 10 minus 8 formula also. But can you do here? Can you do plus 10? Okay, plus 10 you can do. Minus 8 can you do now? No, right? So small friends only. We will look for small friends first. Then if it is not applied, then we will go to big friends. If small friends can be applied easily, apply it. Again, minus 10 plus 2 for 8. I have 14. I have to do minus 8. Minus 10 plus 2. Big question to add 8. Add 6. How did I do 6? Plus 10 minus 4. Now plus 3. How did I do 3? Plus 5 minus 2. Again plus 3. Plus 10 minus 7. Formula of 3. Now add 4. Now minus 8. Minus 8's formula. Minus 10 plus 2. Okay. Do a simpler one. Add 7. Add 2. Add 5. 5 is simple. Add 10 minus 5. Formula of 5. Now minus 8. Minus 10. Formula of 8. Since I cannot do minus 8 now, I am applying its formula. Minus 10 plus 2. Okay. Okay, I'll see you in the next class with the minus 9's formula.